Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and welcome back to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about Microsoft Word. Have you ever experienced this? You're happily creating your document, using styles as everyone tells you you should, and you should. And then you come to the stage where you want to separate out your document because you didn't know where the chapters were going to go, but now you do. You've put the headings into their format and you want to break it up with section breaks. You do that and then you realise that your chapter headings aren't all on the same line down the page. They're all wonky. That's a bit weird. So then you try reassigning the styles to your titles to the text. Nothing changes. Okay, there could be several different things wrong here, and these are just a few things that you can try. The first is make sure that you have your paragraph marks on so you can see all the formatting. Highlight the section break and try reassigning your body text style, which might be your normal style, or you might have called it something else, to that section break. The reason I say this is because if you put your cursor right before the title when you created the section break, which you probably would do because you don't want any extra line spaces in front of it, it might have caught the heading style in the section break, and that's throwing everything off. So once you've done that, does it solve your problem? Well, you can see on this text that it has solved it to a certain extent, but not in its entirety. So the other thing that you can try is going into your paragraph formatting for the style, for your heading style. If you look at that and see how you've set it up, you want to make sure that everything's as simple as possible. So if you've got multiple spacing in there, take the multiple spacing back to 0 and the line spacing to single. And also make sure that your space before and after aren't abnormal numbers. And by abnormal, I mean anything other than multiples of 6, which is what Microsoft Word uses as the stages it goes up and down in. Apply that to your style and see if it's worked. And it worked here. So that was a combination problem of the two things. The best way to avoid it is to take all the formatting away. In other words, take it back to everything back to normal. Then create your section breaks and then apply the heading styles. And then you'll get something like this. And you see straight away the headings line up. I can't guarantee these tips will solve every problem with heading alignment, but at least you've got somewhere to start. I hope this video has been of use to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday.